Hey everyone, my friends Louis and Robert, who are the founders of Azthetik, have finally released their awesome product called Product Launcher. I'm sure you have seen their outstanding website work in Frank Kern, Jeff Walker, and Brendan Burchard product launches. They are the masterminds behind setting up the right framework, visual layout, and launch funnel and sales funnel processes that have helped these experts in multi-million-dollar launches. Hang in tight for the remainder of this video for a 50% discount coupon code. Robert and Louis have put together an easy-to-use program. This way you can set up your WordPress sites like the pros for squeeze pages, pre-launch pages, product launch funnels, thank you pages, and even sold out pages. When I asked the Azthetik team the main difference between them and OptimizePress, they said, the main difference between Product Launcher and OptimizePress is that we are fully featured pre-configured split testing machine and internet marketing funnel. From the moment you install our current version, you get 1,866 pages from squeeze to pre-launch to launch, already preset and just missing a few pieces of content to be ready for traffic. OptimizePress is more of a tool to build websites. We already built the websites for you and you just gotta launch now. We focus on getting you the highest possible conversion rates in order to really optimize your launch. That's a great answer from the Azthetik team. You know already the best are using it, so why not you? So without further ado, let me explain what you'll get with the product launcher. When you're ready, just visit azthetiklauncher.com to sign up or for more information. Here is what the product launcher provides you with. At the very core of this complex theme platform of the product launcher, you have 7 page types divided into 3 funnels. You'll see here on your screen you have the lead capture funnel, the pre-launch funnel, and launch funnel. And all of these come with many pages, different versions of design and layout, but you'll see through the remaining of this video. So the first is the lead capture, which of course is the squeeze page where you will offer valuable content and in exchange they will opt in to your website by giving you their name and their email address. This way you can contact them in the future either to help them or to release future products. The next area is the pre-launch pages, and the pre-launch pages are basically you giving away free content, generating the word of mouth and so on through comments and the Facebook social plugin. So by having a valuable video which gives them information or talks about the myths and misconceptions and pretty much position you as an expert, while providing all this great content, you're also generating all this ability to share your information through Twitter, Facebook, and so on. So pre-launch is very important because this is your opportunity to build rapport with them. So once you have established your pre-launch content, then you could go ahead and move forward with the launch page. And of course, there's always a special way to set up the launch page because this is when you're pretty much, kind of pitching yourself and positioning yourself to sell your product and how it can help the other people and how it's the solution to their problems. So the layout of this launch page has been tested among the top gurus. So you definitely want to go with this layout because we know it works if these top gurus are making millions of dollars off these product launches. And after the product launch page, the main launch page or your sales page, then you want to go to the pre-checkout page, which gives your user or your customer a review of your terms and agreements. Of course, you want to mention your 30-day guarantee, any disclaimer you have, and also give your customer options as far as payments. And this is key. We've noticed that, if you have a product for a high-ticket product for $1,997 and it's only one-time payment, well, your users are kind of more resistant. But what Product Launcher does, it gives you the option to set up different options for them so you don't have to stress out, like in multiple payments of 2 payments of whether it's like $597 or 3 payments of $200, whatever it is. Azthetik Product Launcher takes care of this for you. All you have to do is plug in your numbers and the little info and you're all set. Then, of course, after they select which payment options they like to go to, you always want to thank your customer and, release a video or give them a surprise or something like that. Or if you're selling a digital product, you can just make that download available and so on. So thank you page is set up right there for you. You don't even have to worry about it. Just, plug in a video, plug in a headline, and that's pretty much it. So then after that, the great way to generate more kind of word of mouth or the desire to go with your product in the future is to provide a sold out page. And I've noticed like Optimized Press doesn't even offer this. The sold out page basically is a squeeze page saying that, hey, you missed your chance. It's kind of like a scarcity thing. So this way they give you their name and email address to hopefully be informed when you release your product next time and so on. So it's a great system right here. Next, what Robert and Luce have created were awesome frameworks that were working for Frank Kern, Jeff Walker, Brendan Burchard, so on, that there's so many ways to set up your squeeze page. And here you'll see on the screen that there's at least 5 different ways, 5 frameworks where the video's, right in the mid-center and then your add to cart button right below it, or a video with some text under it and 2 add to cart buttons, or, your logo there. And there you could just see there's so many ways to display your website, and it's very important. These are very much tested, and I really want to emphasize that because you can go with Optimized Press or, another group, and it's not necessarily they've tested it. So these frameworks work, and of course, for your product launch, you want it to work. You want to earn. You want to help other people. So with Azthetik Product Launcher, it's right there for you. And what's cool is they have also different layouts. You have the logo on top and the ways to have, a Twitter or Facebook link and, get instant access now buttons, very bold, or just different layouts. You have left justified, centered, and right justified. And each of these are tested. They work. So it's just up to you how you want to do it. And like how, someone from the team had mentioned in that little email that these are tested, so you can test your website across different markets so you know which one will work for you. And what's a breakthrough actually is the headerless option. So the Azthetik team has designed your pages, ready-made pages with the logo, without the logo. So it's up to you if you just want to use your header. But it's been proven lately that it's better not to even have your logo, but it's up to you. But at least you have that option. And this is a really cool part. That WordPress is kind of, that admin area is kind of daunting. So the Azthetik team really put together something really cool. And here's your bird's eye view. It's your command your entire launch on one page. And look how organized this is. I mean, all you have to do is go from left to right and just down, like global settings, site logos, site favorite icon, the Facebook integration, and all those settings will apply to the rest of your pages. Then you move to your squeeze page and go from top to bottom. Then when you're done with that, you go to your lead confirmation. I mean, it is so easy. It's like right there. That's what I'm saying. You can set it up in like, couple days and you're ready to go, and you can just spend your time, your creative energy, and your money focusing on creating new products and so on, and of course adding valuable content to your customers. And let me show you how simple it is to set up your lead capture page. I mean, right here it's pretty much copy and paste and it takes care of it. You have your call to action button, so on. You get to select what you'd like there. Then you have the pre-launch producer, and this is pretty much setting up your videos. It's, here's your headline, here's your video, here's your PDF, and here's your audio URL. if you want to use them. But all you have to do is copy and paste a link or some little HTML code. It's so simple. You don't even, oh my goodness, it's going to help you so much. And then here, of course, the product launcher also comes with variations to backgrounds, colors, designs, and so on. So this part of the backend allows you to kind of play with the colors and so on. And you got to remember, these colors, these designs, the tone of it all have been tested. So whatever you select, it's going to work. And that's what's really cool. Whereas other programs, you're just picking colors, picking, whatever you want, but it's not guaranteed to work for your audience. So here in the product launcher, these colors, these backgrounds, the tones, designs, they're going to work. They're going to work for you. So it's all right there in your hands. And of course, I mean, it's in the back end, it's like there's a sitemap. So basically you can see all your pages and how it's all going to work out for you. And look how simple it is. I mean, squeeze page 1, squeeze page 2, squeeze page 3, versus you go to the WordPress normal backend site and it's just like, where do you go? So Azthetik really, the team makes it really easy for you to implement. They want you to prosper. They want you to grow. They want you to, make money. And that's what they're trying to do. They're trying to help you do this. So product launcher is really cool. I already ordered a copy for myself and I'm super excited to test it out, but I just really wanted to quickly share with you the opportunity since there's a 50% discount coupon. And so now I want to reveal it to you. The discount coupon is Azthetik Pioneer. It's a 50% off discount coupon. I'm not sure when this special is gonna close or when this coupon's going to be expired, but they had mentioned in an email to me that just in a few days it might get canceled. So I don't know the exact date. So that's why I'm trying to share it with you now so you guys can take advantage. Even still, the product is worth what they're asking for. I mean, if all you have to do is spend $500 to get a website that might bring you, let's say even $10,000, I mean, I can't guarantee you, results or anything, but just imagine just paying $500 and through their website and design and development and your content and you make 10 grand. I mean, it's totally a great investment. So on top of that, right now, they're also giving away Azthetik Studio, which they're giving you entire, 3 months of full access to, a bunch of design packs and so much cool stuff and goodies and all that. And they're giving that to you for free for 3 months. So it's great time right now. It's the time to get your word out there. It's the time to sell your product. It's the time to get yourself on the web. Because if you're not on the web, you're not going to make much. It's very hard these days. So internet is the way to go. Azthetik team is the way to go. And the product launcher is the way to go. So with that, go ahead and visit their website at azthetiklauncher.com. This way, you can, listen to their videos, see more in detail what they have to offer. And yeah, just trust it. Just see it. It's, it'll work for you. It's going to work for other people. If it's worked for Frank Kern, Brendan Burchard, Jeff Walker, and so many others, I mean, that's the greatest deal because the top people used it and it worked, and now it can work for you. So sign up again. Visit azthetiklauncher.com. Thanks for watching.